Hey teachers and administrators! Focus just added 3 new default options in communication settings: print original, fit tables to pages, and student recipient type. This is going to give you more control when printing and sending messages. For printing, you've got 2 choices. Print original keeps your formatting just the way you designed it, no resizing. While fit tables to pages makes sure that tables are automatically scaled so nothing gets cut off. If you need either of those selected, just select the checkbox next to those and save. When you're sending messages from the Compose screen, you can now select a default recipient type, whether it's students, primary contacts, once per family, teachers of, or students and primary contacts. By default, we have this set to primary contacts, and even with this update, nothing will change unless you go to your settings and make adjustments. So set your preferences the way you'd like, select Save, and you'll be on your way to being more efficient with your Focus communications.